I'm Mariah if this is your first time visiting my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 different ways to wear scrunchies or to style scrunchies that are very easy, quick to do in the morning, but look really cute and add something extra to your hair, to your outfit. There's a couple ways that I have kind of discovered that are really easy and simple. It might seem really obvious, but I feel like this video is still helpful in some ways because I think you forget some of these hairstyles sometimes. But I'm going to be using scrunchies from my friend Julia. So Julia makes and sells her own scrunchies, which I think is so cool. She's like a businesswoman out here making things. So her scrunchie company is called GoldenHoneyScrunchies. I'll make sure to link it below so you guys can go check out her patterns, her designs. I love these. I've had these for a few months now, and these are the only scrunchies I own, and they're the ones I wear whenever I wear scrunchies. Is I always wear one of these. So I have these 3 cute patterns that Julia offered. These little star ones, or this star one, this yellow floral one, and then a white marble design. My laptop literally just fell on the ground. No, okay. It's all good, it's all good. But anyways, as I was saying, so I'm gonna be using these scrunchies to share the looks today. And so let's get started into these hairstyles. So first I feel like you need to prep your hair, and honestly my hair has gotten so much better in the last few months. I think cutting it and then re-dyeing it has helped my hair a lot. I'm a lot happier with my hair as of recent, but I think a big part of hair too is obviously some of the products you use, which there's one product that I wanted to point out for you guys that I think has helped my hair be a lot softer and be a lot healthier looking and shiny and silky looking, which I think will make the hairstyles look better. The product I've been using quite a bit, and you can see, well, you actually can't really see because the label, but I'm about halfway through this bottle, and this is the biotin and collagen thickening leave-in spray from the brand Renpure. Well, there we go. Honestly, this has done so much for my hair. It doesn't have any like bad ingredients in it, and it's just been really great. I really like this. And this is my natural hair for the most part. I just brushed it out too. I like to just spritz this in, put a little bit in right now. And it has a good smell. It smells like a spa or something like that. So that's kind of like spa salon smell. Let's get started. All right, so for hairstyle number 1, we're gonna use the stars. I like to do the low pony. So this is cute. I'm just gonna say cute 20 million times in every video. I literally just take my hair, and I like to wear my hair in a middle part now, but you can part it however you want. And my thing these days, like literally I do my hair like this for work. Take some strands out to frame your face. I'm really into the whole face framing thing because I feel like it just makes your hair look better and your looks cuter. I kind of like that messy look. I also pull some there too, next to my ears. I'm looking in the viewfinder, by the way, because that's gonna be my mirror for this video. So I pull this back like that, tie it around a couple times. So I did it like twice. So I have these pieces, and then I have pieces next to my ears, and then I kind of pull this loose. You can kind of scrounge this up, but I almost do like a low, and then I kind of push it to the side like that. Obviously, like I said, these are gonna be so easy, you guys, because I'm not complicated. This is look number 1. Very, very simple, but simple's good. I like simple. Pull that one loose. Look number 2. So you're gonna braid in the back and almost like pull it to the side a little bit, and then take a clear elastic and tie the bottom, because then it's less clunky and it's cleaner at the bottom. And then you're gonna take this, so we're putting the scrunchie back into your hair, pulling this braid looser like that, pulling out the hair, pulling this in the front. This is like a rendition of number 1, kind of. This is the remix version. So here's this one. So it's kind of like a loose braid with a scrunchie kind of look. So it's a little bit more jazzed up, but simple. I'm gonna try a different scrunchie. I'm gonna try this yellowy scrunchie. So next up is the half up, half down scrunchie look. So when I do my half up, I actually like to keep my part kind of showing still. And then I like to have these two money pieces that are usually blonde because I have them dye them blonder. Whoa, look at this. Look at this streak. Put a little scrunchie. So once you have your half up, half down, you're gonna secure in your scrunchie. And honestly, a smaller scrunchie might be better so it doesn't look as like chunky on the back. I mean, it depends on how like thick your hair is, but I know there are smaller scrunchies that would look better. But honestly, you can kind of fluff it up and then just let your hair be down low. Number 4 is doing a bun on your head. You literally take all your hair, twist it around, and then put this scrunchie like that. So then it looks like this. You wrap the scrunchie around the bun, and then as far as this, just kind of pull things down. You can kind of make it like messier by pulling it out a little bit and kind of voluminizing it. So here is the high bun. I really like this one. I think it's really cute. Cool. So the final look, this is more of just a cool swagger thing. So I'm gonna take this marble one, pull it back, very like messy, like pull it back like that, tie it around, and then you guys can grab, where did I put that? Oh, it's sitting right next to me. Grab any sort of beanie hat of your choice and like this. Or no, don't do that. That one ain't gonna work, that beanie. Are we gonna double accessorize? So pull this really loosey, like we're going with the loose swag vibe. And then pull this, I actually like this style beanie with this look more, you know, and you pull these out, you kind of have this on the side. Not gonna lie, this actually looks kind of dumb. I think I'm gonna X this idea. This actually looks dumb. Do you guys like this? I don't know why this is so funny to me. Is it dumb to wear a scrunchie and a beanie at the same time? Why did I think this was a good idea? I don't know. So if you guys are into this, I feel like it's kind of a look, I don't know. But maybe if you had like a plain scrunchie or a smaller scrunchie, it'd obviously look cuter. So maybe there's only 4 good ideas and a questionable 5th idea. That is all for my styling scrunchies video. Thanks for watching my video. I hope to see you guys again on my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.